Okay. Come here. Come here.
Take a picture with her.
No.
It is over. It is over.
Baby. I see a baby.
You're the baby, you dummy.
Are you recording?
Shut up.
Shut.
Hey, that's not nice.
Oh, Mr. Baby.
Don't touch the screen.
Mr. Baby.
That's you. Look, that's a poopy right there.
Poopy right there.
You're the poopy.
Look. Look.
What are you on?
Look. Look.
Look at what?
You know what's funny?
What?
When Jada was in the bathroom with
Wow.
Michelle went after him and he farted. Michelle.
I went to give Aiden. I went to give Jaden. Like I went to give Jaden a kiss because he's so cute. And then right when I'm about to give him a kiss, he's like, and like you could just hear it all like the fart.
And she was like, oh.
I was like, ugh.